Here I am standing next to one of the most important things on planet Earth. Do you see it? How about now? How about now? I'd like you to meet a very good friend of mine, the lichen. Lichens are one of the prime examples of symbiosis. Much of the studies and understanding of symbiosis comes from the lichen. And that helped pave the way to the understanding that we ourselves are also symbiotes. What is symbiosis? Symbiosis is the combination of multiple organisms that live in close proximity to one another, typically in a mutualistic relationship. You are currently the host of many symbiotic relationships, like the bifidobacteria in your belly. It's a healthy relationship. It helps digestion, inflammation in your gut, and you essentially are giving life to these bifidobacteria, and you yourself are benefiting. Symbiotic relationship. But what makes lichens so important in our world? Lichens are very complex in nature, but let's try to get an understanding of them. Lichens are one of the most capable and fascinating collaborations to have ever formed on planet Earth. Often seen and thought to be scaly clusters of moss clinging to rock, desert floor, tree branches, and trunk alike, they continue to bewilder and baffle biologists and mycologists as they have for many studious years. Here we have multiple species of lichen. Lichen typically consists of a fungal species and 1 to 2 species of algae. The algal partner may be a species of green algae, the chlorophyta, or cyanobacterium, cyanophyta, formerly known as blue-green algae. The fungus is a mycobiont, while the algae is the photobiont. The mycobiont and photobiont form together out of necessity. The mycobiont provides protection. The photobiont provides nutrition. The cells of the two organisms merge and combine, creating a new hybrid of algae or cyanobacteria and fungus. Lichen's resiliency still baffles microbiologists, biologists, and mycologists to this day. They can survive extreme subpolar conditions to extreme heat and even outer space. Astrobiologists are using the International Space Station to subject lichen to deep space conditions, and what they're finding is that lichen, unlike any other organism, can survive those conditions, even outcompeting the tardigrades, the little microscopic creatures that we know as aquabears. So what does this near indestructible chimeric organism do for our planet? If you're a fan of my channel, then you know that I talk about the decomposition power of fungi. Without the role of the fungi in our world, then we would not have the rich soil and decomposition of cellulose and lignin on all of our fallen trees and dead matter. But lichen take it to a whole new level, partly because they are part fungi. But the mighty lichen are capable of doing this on far more complex substrates. And they can perform this in the scorching heat of the desert to the subpolar tundras of the Arctic. They also provide a wide array of uses for nature, being food, ecosystems, and housing for small critters. They're good indicators of a clean, rich environment, and they also have been discovered to have many medicinal aspects as well, like that of usnea. Something so unsuspecting carries so much power. These guys are a very fun study, and I suggest that you hop on board. If you like my video, if you like my channel, a like, a share, and a follow goes a long way, guys. Check out my link tree in my bio, and I hope you stay wild. Love you.